Hello.
Hi.
Hello, this is Sha, head chef at Lal Sher in Warrington.
Yep.
I've tasted your food before, Sha, and it's absolutely spot on, really nice. Owner and manager Ali is also joining us. He doesn't want to be on camera. First of all, we're going to cook Sylheti Dhania with lamb. So I'll hand it over to Sha, and if you'd like to proceed and cook, thank you.
The oil in. Oil.
So the oil goes in.
Oil, yeah.
You're not using much, just a little bit.
Just a very small amount.
You're quite health conscious here, aren't you?
Health conscious, yeah.
So ginger garlic paste.
That's the garlic.
So the ginger garlic paste goes in, just browning it off slightly.
Brown it off.
And then in with
green
the
peppers.
sort of the green and red pepper.
Green and red pepper. Then put in the oil, onion.
So these are the service onions,
Service onion.
which have been pre-cooked simply with turmeric and salt and oil.
Yep. We marinate that. Then put a bit of salt.
Yep, bit of salt,
Salt in it.
and a bit of
Mixed curry powder.
bit of mixed powder. Yep, and some tomato puree.
Put in some gravy sauce too.
Yeah, so in with a good ladle of base gravy. And the heat is quite high. That's the flame they cook on, the curries, so they can cook quickly. So the chef's going to sort of leave that now for a little bit to reduce down.
You know the hot sauce?
Masala.
Masala.
So it's just adding a hint of their own masala sauce, which is to use for various dishes, but mostly for tikka masala curries.
Masalas, yeah.
So it adds a nice rich colour, but also a hint of tang to the curry. Nice touch. A bit more base gravy goes in. So he's put some lamb tikka in. Beautiful colour.
We're gonna let that marinate for at least 2 minutes.
Yeah, let it cook down a bit. Do you normally stir it quite a lot, or do you normally you're moving on to other curries and leaving that one?
Like coriander.
Okay. Yep. Lovely coriander.
Fresh.
Oh, of course, always. So there we go. Master chef cooking. That looks amazing. So that's it. So is that finished? Some fresh chilli in there as well. Nice colour. Is that finished? Yeah. Okay, so that's done. Thank you very much, chef. I'd love to have a taste of that. So once we've plated it up, I'll give it a bit of a go. Sure. Can't wait. Right, let's taste this Sylheti Dhania from Lal Sher. It looks absolutely amazing. It's got various hot stuff in it. I'm looking forward to trying it. I'll try a bit of the sauce first. Lashings of coriander on this, which I like. Very nice. I think I would have gone even spicier.
You're making me hungry now, Richard.
I'm very hungry. No, Try a bit of the lamb. Lovely lamb tikka. Oh, I'll try both bits. Yeah, that's so good. Beautifully tender lamb. Excellent. Well, thanks for watching.